This 2018 Forest River Arctic Wolf 295 QSL8 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, smoke detector, leveling jacks, skylight, air conditioning, awning, refrigerator, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features Mid Bunk. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Arctic Wolf 295 QSL8 is 9,224 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.